So this is night 2 of Northeast Toyota Overlanders Windrock event in Tennessee. We got here yesterday and camped out the night. Today we ended up riding the trails from about 11 till 6 until our buddy Jake broke his rear wheel cylinder, blew out all of his brake functions, so we were screwed. We came back. They did not cook any lunch for us, so we were hungry.
The disrespect.
We had peanut butter and jellies, and then we ran back on the trail. Don't worry, we have so much food that we have not cooked. We're up there trying to fix his. Took forever to fix that, and then we ended up snapping a CVX, bent a spindle. Pretty sure we cracked a bumper at some point. I'm not sure whose it was, but I heard. We've had a lot of damage, a lot of fun.
It was a very expensive day.
Would I do it again? Absolutely. Freaking loop.
Jake, would you do it again? No.
But there is more to come on this episode of Northeast Toyota Overlanders Nocturnal Emissions.
What's up, you guys? My name is Mac. This is Cherry Bomb, and like Ryan said last night, we're out here in Tennessee with Explore Overland for their Windrock event. So the guys had a pretty rough time yesterday and last night as far as wheeling goes. So Jake is a little injured, and then another guy in the group broke a CV axle. So, but everyone's kind of waking up, and then we'll see how today's goes. Alright, so Jake is in a good enough position to where he can make it home, possibly wheel today, and then we're gonna start prepping. I got my ticket, I'm gonna air down and just get ready for the trails. Hopefully we don't break anything. Alright, so Ryan prepared a beautiful meal for us. Let's take a look. Chef Ryan, Assistant Chef Jason, what do we have this fine afternoon?
I made like a shrimp jambalaya. We got cut up russet potatoes, cooked shrimp, andouille sausage. We had 4 pounds of andouille sausage and sweet corn. Toss it all in with olive oil and a secret ingredient, and put it over the fire, and it's easy.
We're starting it. What are you doing?
Look at that.
Air parent. But I mean job, so Alright, so one of the guys last night broke a CV axle, and they were just finishing up the install. They bought like a super cheap one. Where did we go? AutoZone or something for that axle? And now it's fixed, and they've kind of been working, and we were kind of eating lunch, so I'm gonna record the last bit. Give it 2 Ugga Duggas and it'll be good.
That's all you need.
Okay. Came here for insurance purposes.
Appreciate that. He didn't sign the waiver.
Yeah. Alright, people, we are headed back on the road. We are going to the train and the flats. Whatever that means. But, alright, we'll see you on the trail.
cold trucks is sideways right now. Like, put the key
Bad
on
tire. All right. Ta-da! All right, tire successfully changed. First tire change on the trail, that was mine. Now we're back going down this hill. All right, guys, good morning. Day 2 or 3, depending on who you ask. But we're going to Nemo's tunnel this morning, but that means we can also air up before we drive, so we're gonna do that now. That was pretty cool. I felt like a Disney World ride. There was a little spots where it got pretty deep where I was a little worried, but that was still a good time. But man, that was cool. That was really cool. I'd love to do it again someday. Well guys, it's gonna wrap up this video. Everyone is starting to head home, and the 8-hour trip should be uneventful. But if something does happen, I will record it. But that's gonna wrap up the video. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be in Maryland next weekend, and it'll be a great time. But I love you, God bless. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye. See ya. Bye. On the way home here, just outside of the Virginia Tech campus, and there's a healthy amount of traffic. So much so to where I've been sitting here for probably 15, 20 minutes. My car's off, and I'm watching Hoonigan.